Let's make smoky balsamic steak in our air fryer. It's gonna take at least 10 minutes of our time. It's gonna be delicious steak. This is ribeye premium steak. They say it's perfect for grilling, but who knows? We're gonna be grilling this delicious steak in our air fryer. It's all from ready-made ingredients. This is a smoky seasoning for your steak. The net weight on this is almost 1.5 pounds. Wow, man, this is a good looking piece. 1.5 inch thick. Give it a just quick rinse. Pat dry out with the towel. Make sure it's dried out. So the seasoning, all the ingredients we're gonna add on top, they're gonna not stick if it's not dry. This is the seasoning. It's called wood-fired garlic. 1 tablespoon on the other side. Press the seasoning from the top. Get all the sides too. Our steak is seasoned canola oil. Since we are cooking this steak on a high temperature, so 1/2 tablespoon each side. The best thing is our steak is ready. Season this broccoli a little bit, Same canola oil, 1 tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Lemon on top. We will turn on our air fryer, air grill. We'll put it on the grill, the highest temperature possible, 510. We'll turn it on. It's on the preheat. It's gonna take a couple minutes. Added our smoked ribeye steak and seasoned broccoli right next to it. It's on the 510-degree temperature. It's on the 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will flip the side. 2 minutes, let's take a sneak peek. Yes, the first initial 2 minutes, take a look on the broccoli. It's looking good. Our steak is almost there. I was just giving a first initial, 2 minutes. And we will give it a flip. We have these beautiful, tiny grill mark charts on it. Let's cook this now, at least for 3 minutes. It's been 5 minutes of putting this delicious ribeye steak. Let's check the inside temperature. If it reaches above 135, our steak is ready, my friend. Make sure your thermometer is not touching the floor. It's just inside, in the middle of the steak. So your steak is not even at 100 at this point. Cook it just the way it is, another 2 minutes. So it's gonna be 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes in the middle, not touching any floors. It's not even there yet. Another couple minutes, my friend. This is a reality check video. In final 9 minutes total at 510 Fahrenheit, our broccoli is murdered. Our broccoli is ready. So I have to tell you what you're gonna face when you follow the way I'm telling you to follow. It's not a joke, it's a reality check. Let's go on the smallest side, not the thickest side. So if it's over 135, it's ready, it's good. Let's check on the middle. After 9 minutes, it's perfectly medium rare. We haven't added the balsamic yet. So this is a delicious steak piece. I hope it comes out in one piece. It's crunchy broccoli, You're gonna love this part. This is the reality check of this delicious steak. All right, here you go. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Pink centers. We all love that. Tender, juicy, premium quality ribeye steak. With the smoky flavor. Oh my goodness. In 9 minutes at 500 degree, you can get the best steak possible with the smoky balsamic flavor. Trust me, it's gonna melt in your mouth. We have checked this steak with the reality check of the temperature, which I have shared with you, you know. I guess it's more than enough for one person. Final magic, this is balsamic. Shake it well. And once you shake it well, drizzle it on your steak all the way. Smoky balsamic steak in this air fryer right here. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel, like the video. I have shared the whole reality check. My name is Mair. Subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. We are doing the taste test. Let me grab this piece. Oh my god, just by the touch, it is so looking tender. Yes sir, first bite. I need the juices. Crispy broccoli. Oh, you will be craving this recipe with balsamic and smoky flavor. Get 5 ingredients, including steak, including broccoli. Get this, get balsamic, get canola oil, get an air fryer or air grill. I haven't cut this whole piece, so as a born hungry guy, this is the bite. Broccoli, I was telling you about, it's murdered. It's a crispy lemon, black pepper and salt flavored broccoli. It's actually delicious. It goes as a combo with this, you know. You get this tender steak with the broccoli. Man, look at this fat. Oh my goodness. Hoo hoo hoo, ribeye fat covered with the delicious chunk of steak bite and the broccoli.